Hey guys, welcome back to Average Bow. Going to do a quick video here, something pretty simple. Going to switch the heater hoses on my 1981 Ford F-150. Here's the heater hoses. For some reason that looks like a garden hose. I don't know what it is, but it's real ugly. And of course it's dirty right now, but I'm trying to get all this cleaned up and looking good. I've got wire loom and all that good stuff. So let's get to it. First thing I have to do is take this, and there's two more clamps up here. Pull those off, and then I've got this new hose to go on. Just cut and replace. Got the first side off. Got a little fluid coming out. I've got a catch cam down there to catch it. That's not good for the animals. Take this one off. Got some fluid coming out.
Just a little bit.
This one's being hard to get off, so what I'm going to do, because I'm not going to reuse it, I'm going to cut that thing. You can see there, I'm going to cut it a long ways. Since I'm not reusing it, and it makes it a whole lot easier to come off. Okay, I'm gonna reuse these clamps, and this one's nasty looking. So I'm gonna take my old 1919 bench grinder and try to clean it up a little bit. Before I put this new hose on, I'm just gonna put a little bit of this silicone lube on it just to make the hose go on a little bit easier. Okay, got one hose on, getting ready to put the other one on. I already sprayed the lube on there to make it go on easier, hopefully. Slider clamp down there. It goes so much easier with that. Just a little bit of that lube on it. And I think I might turn this one over so that the made in China is flipped on the other side, so you can't really see it. Okay, I got an idea with these. Sure, I'm probably not the first person to come up with this, but I don't like the way this is hanging, so I'm gonna take ties and kind of run them closer together to make it look a little more clean in here. Looks like it's gonna work pretty good. As you can see, I put one tie around, and then I put one tie this way. If you can see it there. And it's making like a pretty cool little holder. Cool. So I'll just snap the ends off. Nice some handy dandy little cheap holders there. All right, after rerouting this hose because my ground cable was in between them, I didn't like that. That's done. So we got the hose is changed out. Got our little cheap hose separators made. And that'll do it.